Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to guide you through the step-by-step update to Lenovo Vantage app on your Lenovo laptop. Keeping this app updated ensures optimal performance and access to the latest features. So let's get started. First, let's check for updates to the Microsoft Store. Click on the Start menu and open the Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store, click on the library icon located at the bottom left corner. Now click on Get Updates to check for any available updates. If an update for Lenovo Vantage is available, it will appear in the list. Click Update next to Lenovo Vantage. This method ensures that you have the latest version of Lenovo Vantage installed on your system. You can also check for updates directly within the Lenovo Vantage app. Open the Lenovo Vantage app from your Start menu or desktop. Navigate to the System Update section within the app. Click on Check for Updates. If updates are available, follow the on-screen instruction to install them. This approach not only updates the app but also ensures that your system drivers and BIOS are up to date. If you are experiencing issue updating Lenovo Vantage, reinstalling the app might help. Press Windows plus I to open settings, navigate to apps and then apps and features. Find Lenovo Vantage in the list, click on it and select uninstall. After installation, open the Microsoft Store, search for Lenovo Vantage and click install to reinstall the app. Reinstalling can resolve underlying issues that prevent the app from updating properly. And that's how you can update the Lenovo Vantage app on your Lenovo laptop. Keeping it updated ensures your system runs smoothly and efficiently.